Hello and welcome to this video. I am Shifa Cyclewala from Hacktify Cybersecurity. I am so delighted to share this exciting news with you all that Hacktify Cybersecurity has collaborated with NSD and ISAC and have got a certification program for you all. This certification program is known as Certified Bug Bounty Researcher Program. Before going into the details of the program, let me introduce you to the certification hosting organizations. That is ISAC. ISAC is Information Sharing and Analysis Center, which is a leading non-profit organization across India advancing and working towards professional ethics at work, national cybersecurity and awareness programs. NSD is National Security Database, which is a prestigious certification awarded by ISAC to the most credible and trustworthy security experts. Whereas Hacktify Cybersecurity is a training organization teaching students about web application pen testing and bug bounty hunting. Now, as you are aware about the organizations who are hosting this certification program, let me introduce you to the 7 days program. This bug bounty program is a 7 days instructor-led program designed for the one who want to start their career into bug bounty hunting and also for the one who is already working into IT but want to switch their career into cybersecurity and pen testing. The program starts with the fundamentals of OWASP 10, teaching you about the difference between penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. We move on to learning more about the vulnerabilities on lab environment as well as the live environment. Once you have in-depth knowledge about the vulnerability, we move on to the reporting part. This course covers all the major vulnerabilities, more than 20 vulnerabilities which are categorized under OWASP 10 such as XSS, SSRF, CSRF, authentication, bypass and a lot more. Along with learning about the vulnerabilities and how to hunt them, we'll also learn about how to mass hunt them so that you don't waste time repeating the same thing again and again. The course also covers the ways to find out the less traveled route for bug bounty hunting, as well as it talks about how to increase your target by enumerating subdomains and also analyzing the whole infrastructure of any organization. This course also discusses about the most latest news and trends such as CVEs, 0 days and a lot more. To get the maximum advantage of this program, we give you access to the premium cyber range labs as well as some study material, quiz, assignments, etc. After completion of this 7 days, students are trained to come up with a capstone project or a complete VAPT report as per the industry standards. Students are also given the access to the e-learning portal where they can see the classes recordings if they want to refresh their concepts. After completing the 7 days interactive class, labs and assignments, you are allowed to sit into the NSD examination. Once you complete your examination with more than 50%, you are awarded with a certificate and an ID card from NSD which will be delivered to your home address. Who is this program suitable for? This program is suitable for all the beginners who want to start their career into cybersecurity and penetration testing. This course is also suitable for the one who want to start the freelancing as a bug bounty hunter sitting at their home. This course is also suitable for the penetration testers who are working and want to try their luck into bug bounty hunting. This program is also loved by so many developers who want to make their application secure and want to make sure that there is no flaw into the security tests of the application. This program can also be taken by the professors and the trainers who want to start teaching online about penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. I, on behalf of Hacktify Cybersecurity and ISAC, heartily invite you all to join this prestigious certification program by National Security Database. For any further doubts and queries, please feel free to reach out to us to the links given into the description box. Thank you so much for taking out your time completing this video till the end. Also, take care. Bye bye. Happy hunting.